Next presenter is going to talk about how we can make the city more environment friendly and at the same time help the MTC buses save the MTC save a lot of money. The presentation is going to be by Mr. Altaf Ahmed, and it's going to be about natural fuel additives for MTC buses, which apparently can save crores of rupees every month and for the MTC buses, and also reduce the pollution levels in the city significantly.
Good afternoon, everyone, and thank Madras Day and the jury for selecting my idea as one of the ideas. This is basically about the big ideas about pollution and how we can reduce it, mainly the air pollution. The population in Chennai city is increased drastically. Chennai has always been a high density population city. Moreover, with the kind of living conditions and safety over here and the job opportunities, a lot of people are coming into this city. Not only from outside Chennai and Tamil Nadu, from a lot of other parts of the country across all levels. People working in IT companies, people working at all levels, even the household workers also. With the improvement in the standard of living, a lot of people have started buying vehicles. There are many houses these days which have a car, a bike, and more than that. And many houses have a car as well as a bike and two bikes with no parking space and all. So because of this, there's a lot of load on pollution, and the air pollution is going up because of mainly vehicular traffic. Next. These are the usual scenes. There's nothing new about it. Go on. Next slide, please. So the big idea is basically the use of natural fuel additives for MTC buses. Next slide, please. I have taken MTC mainly because this MTC is the single largest consumer of diesel, and we can, the government can take it as an initiative, as a single, entity, and roll this out so that we can save a lot of money while saving on pollution as well. So these are the statistics taken from the MTC website. What is there is basically the number of scheduled services. They have about 3,600, 3,700 buses. These are the number of buses which operate. The kilometers per day is 309. This is the KMPL per liter, 4.34 kilometers what it runs. Basis this calculation, this is the number of liters of diesel which is used per day. If you calculate at the rate of 54 rupees per liter, the government spends about 129 lakhs, which is 1.29 crores per day on diesel for MTC buses. Next slide, please. So I am now going to talk about fuel additive. This is manufactured in Canada, invented in Sweden. We have been using it. I'll talk a little bit about this product. I've been associated with this product for the last 3-4 months. This product has been in India for about slightly less than a year. So how it works is it separates the molecule chains which make the oxidation of the fuel more efficient, and you get a complete combustion, better combustion. Surface active substance available in this product cleans and lubricates the engine nozzles, valves, and even the tank, whatever rust, bacterial things which are there, it cleans that as well. Since Uraid contains vegetable lubricant substances, what happens is basically because the movement of the engine, all those things, because it lubricates, it's so smooth, there is no heat happening, there's lesser resistance, and again it helps improve combustion. Improved combustion means a lot of fuel is used for combustion and for a longer distance. The benefits are it reduces emission by 50 to 75%. Yes, when we saw this product, when we came across this product, the first thing which was, we thought, how is it possible? 50 to 75% reduction. The first thing we did was, I used in my car, whoever we meet and talk, we give it to them to experience it and use it in their own cars so that, they feel it. So this is the kind of emission reduction, and the reduction of fuel is 10 to 15%. I put it at conservative level of 10%. It reduces the maintenance cost. What happens is because of all these things, because it lubricates, because it cleans the carbon deposits inside and all, it reduces the maintenance cost. The benefits will be accrued over a period of few weeks. You have to run it for a decent number of kilometers, fill it a few times, tankfuls, and then you will be able to see the difference. So which means about a month or more, depending upon the don't come back. Depending upon the life and how well the engine has been maintained over the period of time. If the vehicle is about 5 years old, it takes longer time. If the vehicle is new, you will 1 year old or 2 year old. My car is about 4 years old. The very first day I used it, I experienced the difference. So it depends, the benefit, but these are facts. Next, how safe is it? This is what, there have been a lot of, whenever we go to people, when we talk about it, including when we experienced it, when I heard about it, the first thing is what happens? What will happen? Will it damage my engine? What will be the side effects? What will be the long-term effect? So the fact is, these are facts. It's made of 100% vegetable substance, does not contain any harmful chemicals. It's 100% non-toxic and 100% biodegradable. Approved by Environment Protection Agency of USA, which is ultimate authority. Tested by the Swedish Motor Vehicle Inspection Company, internationally insured for any damage caused. The insurance company has given a certificate saying that in the last 6-7 years, when this product has been used, there has not been any damage, there has not been any claim through this product. This is manufactured in Canada, follows the European standards. Next slide, please. These are the certifications. I would like to talk again about the EPA of US, which is world renowned, and people who know about it will be definitely will not think before you start using this. It's also approved by the Swedish Motor Vehicle Company. International insurance, it's globally insured against any damage to the product, and Shell oil analysis has been done, certified by Shell of Sweden. Next, this is how it is available. This is available in the form of tablets, small pill-like thing, and it is also available in the form of wafers. This tablet can be mixed in 80 liters of fuel. Similarly, the wafer is about 10 times. It's for 800 liters. Next, please. The cost is, it's very, very economical. Actually, the bill, if you mix it, the cost is about 1.75 rupees per liter. That's how it will be. And the moment I say the cost is per tablet 1 rupee 60 paise, people will think, or 150 rupees, people will think. So we convert it into per liter and say, so that it doesn't look big, which is, end of the day, saves up to 10 to 15% of fuel depending upon the life and condition of the engine. Cost is working out to 3% of the fuel cost. Even if the kilometer per liter improves by 8%, the net saving is 5%. I'm telling you all this at a very, very conservative level because we are talking of MTC buses. I do not know how well they are maintained, but whatever we see on the road, the emissions show that it has not been maintained very well. When we travel in a bus, which I do very often, you see the way the gears and all function, it looks. So that's why I'm taking a conservative figure of only about 8% improvement in this one mileage. So even if it is going to be at 5%, next slide please. Cost of diesel consumed. This is the slide which I put earlier. This is the cost per day. A conservative estimate of 5% saving after taking into effect the cost of the pill. Even if it is going to be 5% savings, it is about 6.45 lakhs per day. Net saving of 1.95 crores per month. And it is going to be more than 20 crores per annum. What we are talking here is, I'm mainly talking about the reduction of emission, which is more than 50%. Over here, while you're doing it, you're also saving money. The government is saving money. This is, as I said in Tamil, Karumbu Tinna Kuli. So this is how it works out. I went through the website of the MTC. The money which they earn out of the advertisement, which is there at the back of the buses and all, is about 18 crores. So while reducing the emission by more than 50%, they're also making money out of it. Next slide, please. How do we substantiate this? Because you come across anybody who has been in this field, whenever you talk to them, the first thing they say is, we have come across such products many times in the last 4 or 5 years, this product, that product and all. Well, how does it substantiate? Basically, Urad is being imported here in Tamil Nadu and later on to AP for